This is the video you've been waiting for. I'm just about to release the $47 course, which is going to show you how I made $100,000 from TABOOLA and ADSENSE, and how you can implement this too. Now, what you're going to be getting is you're going to be getting how to create profitable ADSENSE campaigns. I'm going to show you how you can get paid in the course every single month from ADSENSE, and it's going to lead to you creating monthly passive profitable income. Now, this is going to be limited eventually, but for now, I'm going to offer a bonus for the next 20 people who are interested and who sign up. I'm going to give you one running now profitable campaign. I don't even know why I'm doing this. That's a massive offer. I'm going to actually give you a campaign that's profitable and running now. Plus, you're going to get one call with me where I'm going to go over your site and help you maximize the profit of your funnel. You can either do this now if you have a site, or you can schedule it in later if you don't. So again, no messing around. First 20 people who buy will get this bonus, and then also this is a limited in general because of my time. I don't know when I'm going to remove this offer, but for my fans, because they've asked for it, because a lot of you, were unable to afford the $550 one-on-one mentoring, I've decided to release this course for $47. The link will be below the video for you to go and sign up. Thank you, and enjoy the course and enjoy the other videos I will release for you and to help you make money from ADSENSE.